if you can hear me, guys, but this is part 3. Just got my brother's car in my hand. He needs to spin the tyres up, and there's another car there, quite a few cars up. So I just need to wait for my brother and we'll be good to go. There'll be quite a bit of a wait here. Here we go, guys. Took his time to go. And that's the buggy track. Gonna be putting some videos on that one as well. And I'll just yeah. Some of the cars that come around here are quite fast. No control over them either. Especially my dad. And my brother's off. See the car right down there? Somewhere? There. He's off. That's my brother. And I think my dad's going to pull in soon. Doesn't sound too good, that one. Go around from a different angle for you. Oh, I'm crashing. It's not too, how do I say this, rare to see crashes. Because it's a very fast track and a very low level grip track. So you'll see a lot of crashing. But normally it's just bangs or scrapes. Nothing too bad. Quite fast up here as well though, if you look. Look at this. Quite fast. Get some air off that. Blue one got some air. This one here, this one. Watch him. He gets a bit of air. Look at him. Brother's catching up. Look at the speed through that berm. That bank corner, they go so fast around it. Look at this bank corner here. That corner there. Look how fast they're going. Look. Oh. Look at that. Oh, cat. And it's my dad's. What a surprise. Really good. Car off again. Hopefully I don't fall over this time. If you see one of my YouTube shorts, you'll see that I've done that many a time. Or I've fallen over. Might not be getting the best angle for you guys, but it's the best I can do with my phone. It's not got a special camera or anything, so it's the best they're gonna get. Look at the speed through that berm. Speed on these cars are insane. look, that's the buggy track. There'll be a video on that one as well, hopefully. It's nice to in here. That was funny. Going quite tight on there. And yeah, that should be it for today. It's just practice today though. So end of part 2 right now, and part 3 tomorrow. Maybe a part 4. Might have a buggy track one. We might not. We'll see.